All right, so here we got a worksheet with all the personal information we need to fill out tax forms. We collect the info using Office Forms, but we can also do it with Google Forms or any other application. This is a database sheet, and a user form is right here. Let's say we want to get our employees' information or somebody's information, anybody for that matter, put it in the database that we have, the worksheet, and fill out any form we need for that matter, easily and error-free. This is how the form will show on mobile, but we can also see it on a computer, on desktop. It's going to show like this. But mobile is cooler, and most people use mobile, so this is how it's filled out. We have the first name John Doe, his wife Jane Doe, the home address, where they live, the socials. You can click next. How the filing status, they're married and they're filing joint return. And here are the dependents for the exemptions section. Let's fill that out. All right, the form is filled out. First dependent, Richard, his social, he's a son, under 17. Second is Shirley, her social, she's the daughter, and she's above 17, so we don't need to check it. And Ronnie, the last one, his social, he's the son, under 17. And let's leave the fourth dependent blank. Click submit, and the response was submitted. To see where it went, we go back and check our responses, where they are. What we got over here. If we want it in Excel, that's what we want to do, is just click on it, and there you got it. Now we want to move the info that we got over here to our database. And from here, we're going to fill out our forms. We got our tax form, the 1040, from myexcelstemplates.com. So thank you for the great worksheet. But you can go and get these kind of forms or any kind of forms that you need using PDF Convert to Excel from Adobe, and you can just tweak those. You can see everything over here is empty. No names, no socials, the filing status are unchecked, and the social over here is not checked. Exemptions, there's no kids, no dependents. Over here, the income section is going to be filled out using W-2 or 1099 forms, which themselves will be filled out automatically, but that's for a different. This is a W-2. This is a 1099, and they can be filled out with a click of a button from a database as well, but we're not going to get to it right now. What we do here at TaylorDex is tailor make any function in Excel's Power and use it to suit your needs. So let's fill our form over here. Let's call our controller. It brings it back to the database. Everything's empty. And now we want to import what we filled out earlier at the um, Office form. And let's click import to table. It brings us John Doe and his family over here. Daughters, sons, everything, plus other names that we filled out earlier. So what we need to do is fill out our controller. All we have to do is click one of the names. Let's click John and his wife, bring out the form, upload the info. There you have it. Only the fourth dependent is not filled out. And let's fill out Form 1040. As you can see, everything went in. Married filing joint is checked. Over here we got it. And daughter is not under 17. Both sons are. And there you have it. This is how it's done easily. And thank you for watching.